Political heat is on in Bengal, in the state of West Bengal, ahead of the elections in the state. In the latest, Union Home Minister and Chief Election Strategist of BJP, Amit Shah is in Kolkata to review the party's poll strategy. In fact, Amit Shah today has launched a blistering, scathing attack on Mamata Banerjee and her government, accusing it of abating infiltration from Bangladesh for electoral gains. Shah said that the BJP will not only identify infiltrators but also ensure that they are driven out, asserting that infiltration from the eastern borders will be stopped once the party BJP comes to power in West Bengal. He also blamed the West Bengal government for obstructing border security, claiming that fencing along the Bangladesh border remains incomplete due to denial of land. While the Bengal Chief Minister was quick to hit back, Mamata Banerjee hit out at the Home Minister with a Dushasan jibe. She said that only around elections Dushasans land in the state of West Bengal. While replying to Amit Shah's infiltrators salvo, she asked the centre on how a Pahalgam attack or Delhi blast attack took place. Before we go across to my colleague Manogya, who is there in Bengal, listen to the reactions that are coming in on this.
पार्थो चैटर्जी जेल में जाते हैं, ज्योति प्रिय मलिक जेल में जाते हैं, अनुव्रत मंडल जेल में जाते हैं, जीवन कृष्ण शाह जेल में जाते हैं, माणिक भट्टाचार्य जेल में जाते हैं, चंद्रनाथ सिन्हा जेल में जाते हैं, परेश पाल जेल में जाते हैं, कुंतल घोष जेल में जाते हैं, फिरहाद हकीम वो भी आरोपी बनाए जाते हैं, शोभन चैटर्जी आरोपी बनाए जाते हैं, कुणाल घोष 3 साल जेल में रहकर आते हैं और आप कहती है कि भ्रष्टाचार नहीं हो गया, हो रहा है। आप आंख मूंद लिए ही हो भ्रष्टाचार के लिए, मगर बंगाल की जनता अपनी आंख बंद कर कर नहीं बैठी है। गरीब बंगाल की जनता के अधिकार का पैसा आपकी कैडर की भेंट चढ़ रहा है। महिलाओं की सुरक्षा एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बना है और अधिकृत रूप से कहा जाता है कि महिलाएं 7 बजे के बाद अपने हॉस्टल और घर से न निकले। हम कौन से जमाने में जी रहे, मुगल काल में जी रहे हैं क्या? आरजी कर मेडिकल कॉलेज का मामला हो, संदेश खाली का मामला हो, दुर्गापुर मेडिकल कॉलेज का मामला हो, साउथ कॉलेज लॉ कॉलेज का मामला हो, हर जगह बेटियां असुरक्षित हैं और ढेर सारे लोग और ढेर सारी माताएं बहनें ये अत्याचार से तंग आ चुकी।
ममता बनर्जी लगातार 2 दिनों से का एक अपना स्वभाव है, लेकिन उनपे जो है तुष्टीकरण का आरोप लगाया जा रहा है और लगातार वो पहले भी मंदिर एक बनवाई है अभी उड़ीसा के तर्ज पे, और दूसरा एक और घोषणा उन्होंने कर दिया महाकाल मंदिर बनाने का। तो चुनाव की दृष्टि से क्या आपको लगता है कि इसका
मैं तो भाई किसी भी कारण से मंदिर बनाती है इसका स्वागत करता हूं, मगर बहुत देरी कर दी है उन्होंने।
बीजेपी का जो लोअर लेवल का नेता भी है वो भी पूछ रहा है कि क्यों अभिषेक बनर्जी अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ, उसका कंपनी का 150 करोड़ रुपया एसीज हुआ फिर भी अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ।
बीजेपी के लोअर लेवल के नेता का मुझ पर छोड़ दीजिए, बाकी भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी भी एजेंसी के काम में दखल नहीं देती है। एजेंसी जो न्यायिक काम होगा वो जरूर करेगी, किसी से डरेगी भी नहीं, किसी को बचाएगी भी नहीं।
একজন দুঃশাসন এসছেন বাংলায়, ভোট আসলে দুর্যোধন আর দুঃশাসনরা আসেন, ওদের চোখে দেখবেন, দু চোখে দেখলেই আতঙ্ক হবে, এই বুঝি কিছু ক্ষতি করতে এলো রে, এলো রে, এলো রে, এলো রে, গেল রে, গেল রে, গেল রে। দুঃশাসন বাবু এসছেন, শকুনি মামার চেলা চামুন্ডারা ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে আর বলে বেড়াচ্ছে বাংলায় নাকি 1.5 কোটি লোকের নাম বাদ যাবে। কেন? যারা সারা জীবন বাংলায় থেকেছে, বাংলায় তারা ভোটার, 50% টাকা আমাদেরই দিতে হয়। ইলেকশন এসে গেছে এবং এসআইআর এর নাম করে গরিব সাধারণ মানুষের উপর অত্যাচার হচ্ছে। বলতে পারেন সাধারণ মানুষ আমায় উন্নয়নের কথা, উন্নয়নের পাঁচালি দেখে নেবেন।
All right, to talk more on this, my colleague Manogya is there in West Bengal. She's joining me live. Manogya, political heat is clearly only increasing in the poll-bound state of West Bengal, with Amit Shah now launching that blistering attack on Mamata Banerjee and her government, saying that BJP will seal borders and there will be no infiltration if the Bharatiya Janata Party comes to power. Perhaps, Manogya, talk to us more on that and how this sets the tone for polls next year.
Well, even as the year ends and the city is beautifully decorated into Christmas feel and the New Year celebrations, here is a scathing attack between both political parties and the top leaders of the two political parties, with Home Minister Amit Shah on a 3-day trip to West Bengal, where he's holding series of meeting and a press conference where he did not mince a single word while attacking Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And on the contrary, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on her district tour, where she not just opened one of the toughest attacks till now, but also used characters from Mahabharata to rename and also mention and attack Home Minister Amit Shah. But also to give you an idea that this is not just about war of words, but this is also about scathing attack on each other with multiple issues that both political parties have on their mind. They also know that the infiltration has been a big issue. On one hand, Home Minister clearly stating that if BJP comes to power, they will ensure that all the border areas have much more power and are sealed completely vis-a-vis the non-cooperation of the state government that has been the charge from the centre. The Home Minister also said that he's written more than 7 letters to the Chief Minister seeking for land and other assistances that haven't been provided. And that's the reason why there is so much of infiltration happening from the state of West Bengal, which is far more than other states of Assam and Tripura, and which has sealed border and has BJP government. On the contrary, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has used characters from Mahabharata. And second most important point, where she stated clearly that there are multiple political leaders in BJP who've been mentioning that 1.5 crore names would be deleted, and if in case that happens, she would protest not just in Kolkata but also in Delhi against Election Commission. And SIR is here to stay as one of the biggest issues this political season.
Right, absolutely, Manogya. A host of issues on the platter before the polls, but stay with us. We'll come back to you in just moments from now. All right, let's now take you through the big attack on infiltrations as the political heat increases in the poll-bound state of West Bengal. Number one, that's the claim by Amit Shah that Mamata shields illegal immigrants in West Bengal. Then Mamata wrongly then blames BSF. Another accusation by the BJP that the TMC government is not giving land for fencing. Then, on the other hand, Mamata goes on to say that why such large-scale infiltration only in West Bengal? Apart from that, BJP's accusation again on TMC that TMC changing Bengal's demography. Let's now tell you about how TMC has hit back, how Mamata Banerjee's government has hit back at BJP. That's a prediction punch at Shah. Okay, so Mamata goes on to say that we love Amit Shah's predictions. Then she says that Shah earlier had also predicted that BJP will win the elections in 2021 and 2024. Apart from that, that's what I just told you. In the latest, Amit Shah's 2026 prediction is excellent news for us. So clearly, Mamata Banerjee is taking a jibe at Amit Shah and the Bharatiya Janata Party, and goes on to say that Shah's prediction is perhaps good omen. It is good luck for us and the TMC party. Manogya, you're still here with us, joining us live from Kolkata, where all the action is taking place ahead of the polls. Clearly, war of words between BJP and TMC, with the TMC government being accused of not giving land for fencing, and in return, Mamata Banerjee goes on to say that it's not only in West Bengal where infiltration takes place. How do you see all of this panning out ahead of polls in the state of West Bengal?
Well, infiltration is definitely a big issue when it comes to the state of West Bengal and the country also. There have been multiple reasons for us to believe that it is one of important issues to be addressed by the centre, and especially in state because it shares more than 2,000 kilometers of border across Bangladesh. And given the fact that Bangladesh has been witnessing such a the kind of turmoil which is of course directly, indirectly affecting a lot in the Indian subcontinent. But we're also here to understand on how important this issue will become and escalate into or snowball into one of the biggest issues this election season. Number one is SIR, the CAA factor which has been affecting the Matua community, where Home Minister clearly stated that the Matuas or those who've applied for CAA do not need to worry for anything or at any instance because they have confirmed the citizenship of the country and they have support of the government at the centre. On the contrary, with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who has been visiting Matua area, there has been a lot of dissent, and the fact that Trinamool Congress also has been on the ground zero working it out at definite and different instances. But this is here to stay. This is a war of words. This is expected to intensify with every passing day. And trust me, the new year will have more political fireworks from West Bengal.